Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to Friday, October 9th. Today you will attend your odd period classes, periods 1, 3, 5, and 7. And although my picture covers up one of those periods, look at Monday. We're following the same schedule as Monday. We start period 1 at 9 a.m., period 3 at 10:25, period 5 at 12:15, and we're going to wrap our day up with period 7 at 1:40. You know your A-Day period, your A-Day class meets the first 30 minutes. Your B-Day class meets the last 30 minutes, whatever period this is. Today's an advisory day for 7th and 8th graders, so period 5, 7th and 8th graders, you do need to attend and log into advisory. Again, that starts at 12:15. Hey, congratulations to our Students of the Week. We award Students of the Week for respectful, responsible growth mindset, positive value-adding behavior. And this week, our winner for 6th grade is Mariah Gates, nominated by Mr. Hogue and Mrs. Harder. Congratulations, Mariah. Kenley Fisher in 7th grade is our winner, nominated by Mr. Hallquist and Miss Skifton. And then nominated by the 8th grade Team 1, 8-1, Jade Moen. Jade, congratulations to our winners. Congratulations to everybody who was nominated. Couple of words of wisdom, a quote from Albert Einstein: "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." Wildcats, don't be afraid of trying new things. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. We learn from mistakes. You know that one of our growth mindsets is one of our values, one of our steps towards success. And how do we look at challenges? Are they something to avoid, or do we embrace them? How do we look at obstacles? Do we give up right away, or do we just find a way around the obstacle? What about effort? Is working hard fruitless? We're not going to win anyway. Or is effort and working hard a path to mastery? Criticism. Do we see criticism as a reason to quit, or can we pick that criticism apart and find that it's something we can learn from, something that we can grow from? Wildcats, a way to add value, of course, is through respectful, responsible behavior, but it's also from trying new things and having a growth mindset when you try new things. Have a great day, everybody. Work hard.